In this video, I'll show you how to transfer different coins between networks on MetaMask. If you've ever been confused about moving tokens from one network to another, like sending assets between Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, or other supported networks, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand how network transfers work in MetaMask and how to do them safely without losing your funds. So first, open your MetaMask wallet. Once your wallet is open, take a look at the top area of the screen. Right at the top, you'll see the name of the current network you're connected to. In many cases, this will be Ethereum mainnet by default. This top section is the key to switching networks. Now tap on the network name at the top. As soon as you tap it, a list of available networks will appear. These are the networks already added to your MetaMask wallet, such as Ethereum mainnet, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and possibly others, depending on what you've added before. Let's say you want to switch to Binance Smart Chain. Simply tap on Binance Smart Chain from the list. Once you do that, MetaMask will instantly switch networks. You'll notice that you're still on the same wallet address and the same account, but the assets shown may change. That's because each network has its own tokens, and MetaMask only displays the tokens that exist on the network you're currently using. For example, if you hold BNB or other Binance Smart Chain tokens, you'll only see them when you're connected to the Binance Smart Chain network. If you switch back to Ethereum, you'll see your Ethereum and ERC20 tokens instead. Nothing is lost when you switch networks. You're simply viewing a different blockchain using the same wallet. Now, let's look at another example. If you want to use Polygon, which is commonly used for NFTs and certain decentralized apps, you'll need to be on the Polygon network. Again, just tap the network name at the top, select Polygon, and MetaMask will switch you over. Once you're on Polygon, any NFTs or tokens that exist on that network will appear in your wallet. This process works the same way for any supported network. Just remember, if something isn't showing up in your wallet, the first thing you should always check is whether you're on the correct network. Most issues beginners face with MetaMask are simply because they're connected to the wrong network. That's really all there is to it. Switching networks in MetaMask is quick, easy, and essential if you want to use different blockchains, tokens, or NFT platforms without confusion. Before you go, if you care about staying safe and private online while accessing crypto platforms and wallets, I recommend using NordVPN. It helps protect your connection and adds an extra layer of security when you're dealing with blockchain apps. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.